Hey students, a very good morning to all of you. I'm Ananya Modgil, class developer of Emerging. So students, this video is in continuation of your previous one. Okay, as you know that nowadays we are doing the recap of our previous tier, right? And we also prepared ourselves for the assessments. Okay, so in this session we are doing our second subject, which is mathematics. Your mathematics book is there on screen. Along with this book, you all have to carry your maths notebook where you used to do the recap session. Okay, so today we will do recap of our two concepts, two topic, after and before and backward counting. Okay, so you please go and bring out your child-centric mathematic perfection toolkit, one of two joyful D, which is there on screen, as well as you must have a sharp pencil and eraser with you. Plus, you must have a maths notebook where you used to do the recap work. Okay, so I'm waiting. Till then, you all have to bring out all of your belongings. Then we will start our session. Okay, go, hurry up, bring out all your belongings. Hurry up, I'm waiting for you. Let's start our session. We have to prepare ourselves for assessments, है ना? So we have to do hard work. Okay, students, I hope so that you all have bring out your maths book. First of all, let's do a recap of our after and before concept. Okay, so yes, first of all, I will do a brief introduction, right? A brief recap with the number board. So I am having a number board in my maths book. You please open the page number 11 from your book. Okay, and then we will start a recap. Fine. This will be a very brief recap. So see, this is a number board. So students, I will put my pencil on any particular number, okay? And you have to tell me what is the number before it and what is the number after, okay? So you just have to raise your hands if you know the answer. So let's start the game. Okay, so students, I put my pencil on number 3535. So you have to tell me what is the number coming before. Before means you have to go backward. You have to tell me which number come before number 35. So it's your number 3434. And after means when you have to go forward. So what does the number come after 35? It's 3636. Now you will know. अभी आपको याद आ गया होगा your previous concept. What is the meaning of before and what is the meaning of after, right? Okay, one more time. Let's do with an example. So now tell me what is the number which come before 5858. This is the number where I put my pencil. 5858. Which is the number which come before 58? Ma'am, 5757. Very good. Okay. And which number come after 58? Ma'am, it's 5959. Very good. Yes, you are right. Okay, now let's take one more example. So now tell me, yes. So I am putting my cursor on number 7373. Tell me, which number come before 73? Ma'am, 7272. And which number come after 73? Ma'am, it's 7474. Very good. That means you will recognize your previous concept. आपने इतनी प्रैक्टिस करी है कि आपको वन टाइम में ही मैम विल गिव यू वन एग्जांपल और आपको याद आ गया है ना. सो चलो लेट्स do an worksheet related with the same concept. So I'll prepare this worksheet for before and after numbers, students. I will share this worksheet in the group as well, right? So this is the worksheet related with after and before number. So first of all, you have to open your maths revision notebook where you have to do the written work. Okay, so I'm waiting. Till then you will open your notebook and open a fresh page. Okay, आपको एक fresh page open करना है. On top you have to write the date for today and then we will start. Okay, hurry up, I'm waiting for you, then we will start. Okay, students, I hope so that you fill the detail in your fresh page. Okay, see, what is the caption? The caption is recap of before and after numbers. That means we did this concept before as well, है ना? So today we are doing a recap ताकि आपको वो concept दोबारा से revise हो जाए. Okay, so this is the worksheet. So यहाँ पर आपको क्या करना है? See, there are lots of jet, है ना? These are the rocket. So what is there? There are numbers written for you. The very first one is done for you. See, this is your number. In middle there is a number given to you, so you have to find out the before number as well as the after number. Okay, so the very first one is done for you. Let's read the information also. Write the numbers that comes before and after. तो आपने क्या करना है? These are the missing rockets, है ना? The rockets which is having a missing number. So what you have to do? You have to write the before number as well as the after number. Okay, so students, why to wait? Let's start our worksheet. So what we will do? We will fill before number first. Okay, so now see, this is your 3. In this rocket there is number 3 is mentioned and there is a block before and there is a block which is after that number. Okay, so what, first of all tell me what comes before 3. 3 से पहले क्या आता है? Ma'am, 2, number 2. So in this block you have to write number 2. And students, you need not to draw the images. Okay, you just write your answer. आप कैसे कर सकते हो? In your notebook you just have to simply write like this. Like here you have to give some space, right? Give some space and then you have to write the next number. It's number 3. Fine, wait for a while, there is some issue. Okay, now it's done. So first of all you have to give some space for some number, okay, which is coming after, sorry, before, and then you have to write this number, number 3. Again you have to give some space. So now you have to fill it. So what comes before? It's number 2. So here you have to write number 2. Okay, in the same way you have to do the next one also. Okay, so now you have to say what comes after 3. So it's your number 4. So in this way you have to do this worksheet at your home, right? Again I am telling you, or you can also prepare some box. Okay, need not, there is no need to prepare the rockets because it will take lot of time to draw these images. So I don't want that you will waste your time. Okay, you have enough time to do the revision but don't waste your time. So I would suggest that you will draw some bracket. Okay, I will tell you how. See, you just have to take pencil and make one box over here and one box over here, right? This way you will do your before and after sum, and in middle you will write, suppose it's your number 9. So now you have to tell me what comes before number 9. So the answer you have to write it in this box. Okay, is that clear to you? You already have the boxes in your maths notebook. So you will highlight it with a sketch pen or a pencil. Done? That's it. Okay. Now we will come back towards our word problem. So now it's number 3. What comes after number 3? Tell me, ma'am, it's 4. Yes, it's your number 4. Very good. Okay, tell me what comes before 9? This is your number 9. In this rocket, there is a number 9 mentioned. So tell me what comes before 9? Ma'am, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ma'am, 8. Very good. Yes, if you have problem to give sudden answer, so you will have to count it in your hands, all the numbers. Even you also do it with the number line. So it's number 8. What comes after number 9? Ma'am, it's 10. Very good. Yes, it's your number 10. Okay. So now you have to see this one as well. What comes before 6? Ma'am, it's 5. Yes, it's your number 5. And what comes after 6? It's 7. Right? Okay, now tell me what comes before 8? Ma'am, 7. Yes. And what comes after 8? It's your number 9. Your number 9. So, in this way, students, you have to complete this worksheet, plus you have to revise it with the higher number as well. Okay? आपको ये कंसेप्ट, ये वर्कशीट तो करनी है. इवन यू हैव टू revise more, do practice more with the higher numbers as well. Okay, in the same way. Now, let's come to the next concept, the concept of backward counting. So, for backward counting, I'll also prepare a worksheet. So, this backward counting, you have to do it in a fresh page. Okay, a fresh page पे करोगे अपनी backward counting. So, students, there are some orange given to you, right? These are few oranges, right? So the very first orange, you can see it that the number mentioned is 2020. So you have to start your backward counting with number 20, and some are the missing oranges where is no number mentioned, so you have to fill them, and some are the oranges which is having a number given to you, so you have to trace it. Okay, if you want to, so you can also color these oranges, right? This is a very simple kind of activity, and even आपका fun भी हो जाएगा while making these oranges. Okay, if you don't want to, so you just write the simple backward count. Okay, so before starting this worksheet, first of all, open a fresh page and then write the date on top. Give a caption of backward counting. Okay, you need not to write this caption. You just have to give the caption backward counting 20 to 1 in the middle of that worksheet. Fine, and start writing your backward counting. I don't want that I will give you any hint or any help. I want that you will do by own, and then I will check and I will advise you that where are you wrong, or appreciate you if you done right. Okay, so this you have to do by own. Backward counting में, let's start. It's 2020. What comes before backward counting में, you have to write that number which is coming exactly before that number. So 20 से पहले क्या आता है? It's 1919. Okay, that's all hint I can give you. Rest of you have to do by own, because now you are doing the practice of previous concept. Fine. So this worksheet also I will share it in the group, but you have to do by own and revise your concept. If there is any doubt, so ask me. So that's all in our mathematics revision session. First of all, you have to revise your after and before concept. Okay, and then you have to do the worksheet related to that concept which I'll introduce you later. Afterwards, you have to do recap of your backward counting by writing 20 to 1 backward counting in your maths notebook. Okay, that's it for your today's session, students. Have a good day and revise it properly. If there is any doubt, so ask me. I'm there for you. Have a good day. God bless you and all the very best with your preparations.